In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to find your McDonald's order number on the app. Let's get started. First, launch your McDonald's app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the orders page. Here you're going to find all of your order details. On the order details screen, you will typically see your order number along with the date and time of the purchase, the restaurant location, the items you ordered, your payment details, and the total amount paid. If you cannot find the order number in the app, check the confirmation email or receipt sent to the email address associated with your McDonald's account. The order number is usually included in the order confirmation. If you are still unable to locate it, contact the restaurant where you placed the order or use the helper contact us section in the McDonald's app. Provide your name, the approximate order time, the restaurant location, and the payment method you use so they can help locate your order. And that's it. This is how you can easily find your McDonald's order number using the McDonald's app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.